India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Based on the information and the traps that we had set up, we were able to identify VIKRANT DESHMUKH, the criminal. PI Panjim's crack team was on the spot, and when they tried to arrest him, he tried to run. After a short chase, he was apprehended by the staff of Panjim police station. Upon his apprehension, he was found to be in possession of a live firearm. The firearm has been seized and 5 live rounds were there in the firearm. This is after 4 years that the criminal has been arrested. He was wanted in a Makoka case in Mumbai and also a murder case. Previously, he has over 30 cases and has been in jail for over 10 years. As per preliminary interrogation, he was in Goa for a short stay, and so far he has revealed that he was only for recreational purpose, but we are looking into it in detail and we are trying to ascertain if there is any link or any he had any plans in Goa. But it was a piece of excellent preventive action by Goa police.
उत्तर गोंयचे पुलीस दर शेनवारा उत्तर गोंयांतले क्रिमिनल खंय कितें करतात ताचो खंय स्वता तांचे कडेन वचून नियाळ घेता. ह्या मोहिमे वेळारूच खंय विक्रांताची म्हायती मेळ्ळी. मुंबय पुलिसांनी विक्रांत गोंयांत आसा म्हूण इनपूट दिल्लें.
The police officers go out, all of them PIs, SDPOs with their entire teams, and they carry out a thorough check of all criminals of North Goa. They ensure strict enforcement of minor act cases such as public drinking, and it is during one of these drives that we had received this excellent information, and it has really helped prevent crime in Goa.
विक्रांत कांय दीस जाले कोंगुटे रावतालो. थोडे दीस गोंय भोवंक म्हूण आयिल्लो अशी म्हायती खंय ताणें तपासांत दिल्या. तरी ताचो प्लान कितें आशिल्लो ते नदरेन तपास चल्ला. ताचे बरोबर आनी एकलो आशिल्लो म्हूण पुलिसांक दुबाव.
As of now, we have received information that he was staying in Kalangut, and yesterday in the evening he had come to Panjim, apparently to visit the casinos, and that is where we had found him, and that is where he was apprehended after a short chase. It is suspected that he had one more associate. We are interrogating him on that point.
Prudent खातीर चेतन गवस.